everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use your job edit function in your Invisi app. So first we're going to hit begin and then go to setup on the main menu. Once we put in our setup password, we're going to come to our setup page and go to job edit, which is under setup job. Once we hit job edit, all of our jobs come up and we can pick any of them to edit. So I'm going to select Joe Jones. As you can see, we can change the name, add tags, or remove tags. I'm going to change the name because it turns out I put in his address wrong. So I'm going to change the name to 1234 Goldie Street and hit done. Then as you can see, the name is changed on the list. I can also add tags. So if I hit the add tags button, then all of the tags that are not in this job already come up and I can add any of them. So I'm going to add air mover 27 and backpack blower number 1. Hit done. Then the tags are added. You can also search a job by the name. So I'm looking for truck 9 and it pops up when I type it in the search bar. I want to remove tags from this job, so I hit remove tags and I just select them and hit done. And the tags were removed from the job. That's how simple and easy it is to use the job edit function on your Invisi app.